All formula entries begins with an equal sign. In addition, for simple formula, simply type the equal sign followed by the numeric value that you want to calculate and the math operator that you want to use, minus sign or the plus, or you can also use the asterisk for multiplication, or you can use forward slash for division. Then enter the additional value or select another cell and hit enter, and Excel instantly calculates and display the results of the formula for you. So in this way you have created a formula, click on the cell of it, and the formula will be displayed in the formula bar in the top. You can always see it by clicking on the cell, and you can always click on the formula bar and change the formula components as needed. And whenever you have edited, just click enter to display the results instantly.